Hello learners. In this video, we will deep dive into the concept of regular expressions in JavaScript. So, watch this video till the end. I would request you to please subscribe to this channel, like this video and share with your friends. Let's get started. What exactly a regex is? A regular expression is a pattern used to match strings. Below is the syntax for a regular expression. It mainly has a pattern for which searching operations are done and a flag which is generally optional, and it adds some extra functionalities to regular expression. There are many methods and flags for regular expressions you can use, but in this video we will see only the mostly used ones. We are taking a very long string within a variable sentence. Next, we are going to create a pattern of string, pet, and try to compare it with the above sentence variable. To find whether the pattern exists within the sentence or not, we use a method called .test. The output returns true, which means pet exists within the sentence variable. When we try changing the pattern, it returns false, which means the pattern is not present. If we add an I flag to the regular expression pattern, it returns true. Here I flag means ignore case. Similarly, we are trying another .replace method in order to replace the pattern pet with dog. But it replaced pet only once, so we will use G flag in the regular expression to replace the pet word with dog globally. Next method we have is .match, which matches the pattern with sentence variable and returns the number of times the pattern is present within the sentence. Like, in this case, pet pattern is present 4 times. This was just an explanation to regular expressions. Let's see a real-life application of regular expressions with an example. Let's create a simple regular expression application which will compare and check the email and phone number whether it is valid or not. Here, we can see that as we use the regular expression to check the pattern of the email and phone number, it returns true, which means the pattern of email and phone number is correct. While, when we will change the pattern to incorrect, it will return false. That's all for this video. I hope I was able to explain every part of the code and its execution in a simple and easy to understand way. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment. I'll make sure to reply. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. See you very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.